In 1921, the Wazee Company was established in Denver, Colorado. Over the years, we have grown to 3 divisions. Wazee Electric is a full-service electric motor repair and service shop. Our work is done in a 50,000 square foot building with a lifting capacity of 50 tons. We sell and repair motors up to 20,000 horsepower. We have 2 large VPI tanks. We have a fleet of service-ready vehicles and trained electricians ready to help with your motor repair needs. In 1960, we opened Wazee Crane. The 20,000 square foot manufacturing facility is where we build and sell cranes with spans up to 120 feet and lifting capacities up to 125 tons. Using cutting-edge software, we are able to create state-of-the-art crane solutions, saving time and money. Our crane service team is available for testing, maintenance, and repair all over the Rocky Mountain region. Our newest division, Wazee Wind, was created to provide renewable energy repair and maintenance solutions. Our service technicians provide up-tower generator maintenance service and repair. For all of your electrical needs, look no further than Wazee Companies. We look forward to meeting you, and please contact us with any more questions or for more information.